What is electricity? A step-by-step explanation. Nice question. Here's electricity broken down simply, step by step, with short examples and a tiny safe experiment you can try. 1. Atoms and charge. Everything is made of atoms. Atoms have protons, plus, neutrons, zero, and electrons. Electricity is basically about electrons moving or trying to move. When electrons move, we call that an electric current. 2. Electric charge. Charge is a property, positive or negative. Like how mass is a property for gravity. Unit, the coulomb, C. One electron has a very small amount of charge. 3. Electric field. A charged object creates an electric field around it that pushes or pulls other charges. Think of it like the slope of a hill that makes a marble roll. The field tells charges which way to move. 4. Voltage, electric potential. Voltage is the electric push that can make electrons move. Formally, it's energy per unit charge. Unit, volt, V. A battery creates a voltage difference between its ends. 5. Current. Current, I, is the flow of electric charge past a point. Unit, ampere, A. Formula concept, charge per time. Example, 1A is equal to 1 coulomb passing a point in 1 second. 6. Resistance. Materials resist the flow of electrons. That property is resistance, R, measured in ohms, omega. Ohm's law. If voltage increases, current tends to increase for a fixed resistance. 7. Power and energy. Power, P, is how fast electrical energy is used. Unit, watt, W. Electric energy used over time is often billed as kWh, kilowatt-hours. Example, a 60 watts bulb on for 2 hours uses Wh is equal to 0.12 kilowatt-hours. 8. Circuits, the path for current. For current to flow you need a closed path, a circuit source, battery, generator, wires load, lamp, motor, back to source. Components, conductors, allow flow, insulators, block flow, switches, resistors, capacitors, diodes, transistors, etc. 9. DC versus AC. DC, direct current. Electrons flow one direction, batteries. AC, alternating current direction reverses many times per second, household mains is AC. In many countries household supply is tilde 230 V, 50 Hz. 10. How electricity is generated. Most large generators use electromagnetic induction, move a magnet near coils of wire, or spin coils in a magnetic field to create current. Sources of mechanical power, steam turbines from fossil fuels or nuclear, water, hydro, wind turbines, or directly from sunlight, solar panels produce DC. 11. Transmission and transformers. To move electricity long distances we step up voltage using transformers so current is lower, less energy lost as heat. Loss in a line is proportional to. At the destination we step down the voltage for safe local use. 12. Safety and control. Devices like fuses and circuit breakers protect circuits by stopping too much current. Earthing grounding gives a safe path for fault currents. Safety rules. Don't touch live wires, don't short batteries, unplug before fixing up pulley. And that's how tiny moving electrons light up our world, the story of electricity. If you enjoyed the journey, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more sparks of knowledge.